where we bring you the latest in fashion, style, and luxury. Today, we're showcasing the top 5 luxury women's watches of 2024. Whether you're looking for a timeless piece or a modern statement, we've got something for everyone. Let's dive in. Are you ready to elevate your style with a stunning new timepiece? Stay tuned as we reveal the top picks that will make you stand out in any crowd. A luxury watch is more than just a time-telling device. It's a fashion statement, a symbol of elegance, and a reflection of your personal style. Today, we'll guide you through the best luxury women's watches of 2024, perfect for any occasion. First up, we have the Hannah Martin Women's Waterproof Stainless Steel Bracelet Watch. This watch combines elegance and functionality with its waterproof design and stainless steel bracelet, making it perfect for both casual and formal occasions. Next, we have the Michael Kors Women's Gold Tone Watch MK647.5. Known for its luxurious gold tone finish and timeless design, this watch is a true statement piece that exudes sophistication. Third on our list is the Plz Women's Waterproof Stainless Steel Luminous Calendar Watch. With its luminous hands and calendar function, this watch is as practical as it is stylish, perfect for those who value both form and function. For those who appreciate intricate craftsmanship, the Plz Diamond Automatic Mechanical Stainless Steel Watch is a must-have. This watch features diamond details and a stunning automatic mechanical movement that will impress any watch enthusiast. Last but not least, we have the Plz Women's Fashion Stainless Steel Waterproof Watch. With its sleek design and versatile look, this watch is perfect for everyday wear, adding a touch of luxury to any outfit. These top 5 luxury women's watches of 2024 offer a blend of style, elegance, and functionality. No matter your preference, there's a perfect timepiece waiting for you. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews and style tips. Check the description for links to all the featured watches. See you next time.